we welcome you warmly to the inaugural edition of the Women's Hockey India League, where 4 teams will tussle it out over the next couple of weeks. And we start off with the Delhi SG Pipers taking on the Odisha Warriors in the very first match of the Hero Hockey India League Women. And this marks a historic occasion. Vanessa Bowmans and many other players who have shone brightly. And here's an opportunity. And once again, here's an opportunity for Odisha Warriors by way of the very first penalty corner in this contest. And there was a transgression that has yielded the very first PC in battery number 1. It will be Yibby Jansen. She goes for an almighty flick. And that is goal number 1 in the Hero Hockey India League Women's Edition. It is the Warriors who continue to threaten throughout the majority of the opening quarter. And it is that superstar, Yibby Jansen, who has opened the account here for the Odisha Warriors. What a start here in the second quarter. Clean hold and a brilliant flick. Gibson yielded a foul though, but this has been good. A sequence of aerials which has resulted in an amazing counter-attack, and she has earned the penalty corner. She knows it. It's a decent injection. Good trap, and Yibby Jansen does it once again. Makes it once and makes it twice. And this is the lightning from the Netherlands that strikes twice. The 25-year-old, the player of the year, as anointed by the FIH, has lived up to her billing.
Perfect placement, because that is an angle which is very difficult for goalkeepers to deal with. Down, low down to the left, and also blitzed past the post player.
Yes, and here's another opportunity for the Warriors. Circle entry has been achieved, and another goal. Goal number 3 for the Warriors. And this one has come through open play. They did inch their way past the 0-degree mark. And speaking of signature celebrations, I think they have one now through Baljeet Kaur.
That was excellent work from Baljeet Kaur all the way. A quick 1-2 just before she finished it off with her captain Neha Goyal. And that just landed it at her feet, and all she had to do was just tap it in next to Elodie Picard. She was the one who started the move, and fittingly she's the one who finishes it. Just going through the legs of the defender. She'll be quite disappointed with that.
And it's a pass to Frika Moyes, an opportunity. Goal number 4. They are pumping the goals in. And Ranchi has been awash in the colours of orange and blue, in the colours of the Odisha Warriors. And they are giving the people a real treat. And this one from Frika Moyes adds to that illustrious list.
More Dutch delight, but that goal was completely credit to Manisha Chauhan. Or rather, Rutuja Pisal, the way that she was running down the left, made a very difficult pass her own and managed to find that inside. And Frika Moyes just getting a little bit of space, and that's all she needed to slot it past Elodie Picard. Then, of course, the Women's World Cup, FIH Women's World Cup in 2026. But for the moment, 3 quarters played, and it's Odisha Warriors all awash in orange here in Ranchi. They've been the team with the supremacy. 2 goals from Yibby Jansen, 1 from Frika Moyes, and of course Baljeet Kaur also adding her name to the scorers list. And as a result, after 3 quarters of this match, it's currently Odisha Warriors who lead by 4 goals to 0.